Just use common sense, you should be all right most of the question. 6.48 grams of sucrose is dissolved in 200 grams of water. The molality of the solution. I will give you 3 wonderful formula in chemistry which you can note down. These are quick formula which you may not get in the textbook, but you can get I will be giving you. Small m is equal to L mu and m. M is for molarity here. This is mass in grams. L is liters. Mu is molecular mass. Now next one. M is equal to LEN. Please write down. What is LEN? M is again mass in grams. L is liters. E is equivalent mass. N is normality. Okay. Next. Write M is equal to K mu M. What is K? See, use your own equation and enjoy. K is kg, I will write. Mu is molecular mass. Here M is molality. So I will just write small m here so that you know it's molality. Okay. Already I have used small m here. So now, look, these are all normality. Molecular mass, equivalent mass. And here, you know that this is again molecular mass, molality, but this kg. These 3 powerful formula can save. So otherwise, how you can get this formula? Not a big deal. You know that molarity is defined as number of moles. Okay, by liter. How to get this formula also I can tell you. It's very simple. Number of moles is what? Mass by molecular mass. So now cross multiply, you have got it. M is equal. So I just want to use this so that you can do it. In this problem, they have asked molality. So I would focus on the equation 3. That is M is equal to K mu ml. Okay, what is K here? I told you kg. What is sucrose actually? 2 glucose and minus 1 water. C12H22O11, right? I don't even compute the exact, it is not necessary. See it, you should know how to quickly. See the answers first. I told you molality I want, answers are just 0.1, 0.2, 0.0. So these are the 4 answers, which means I really don't have to compute 0.2 and 2, 0.2 and 2, 3. So that accuracy is not required. So see how. This is 12 into 12, 144 plus 22 and O11 is 16 into 11. That is about 1. Okay, 16 into 11 is how much? Okay. Roughly, looking at this number, 648, I will tell you, I won't even add this. Because that kind of approximation you should know, looking at the answer. Looking at this 300 and something, so I need here, this is 648. So I add 324. I will not go wrong, I'm sure. Just try. You know, it need not be 324 here, but I'm telling near 324. That's enough for me. And what is K here? K is kg. How many grams are there? 200 grams. Convert into kg. And molality I want, right? And M is mass in grams, 6.48. Just simplify this. 2 zeros gone here. So 64.8 by 648. Roughly I write it, which means 1 decimal I move here. 1s are, 10s are, 1 by 10 is 0.1. I'll explain again. The answer is 0.1 m. Okay, how did I do that? I use a new formula, M is equal to K mu ml. This you could have got, but I'm trying to save few. Is mass in grams. K is kg. Mu is molecular mass. Ml is molality. I calculated the molecular mass. I'm okay. I don't want to add here. You know, it doesn't come really exactly, but approximately, I guess it is 300 and something. Then looking at this, I write a convenient fraction, half of it. You know, because I need the answer to only 1 or 2 decimals. So just use this. You should.